Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share text posts on TikTok. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go and open our TikTok application. We click and then make sure that you are logged in into your account. So basically now we will need just to create some content and we need just to create our text post. So all you need to do is just to click on the plus button or the creating templates or the creating panel in TikTok. We click on this plus sign at the bottom and then it will take us here to the creation tool or panel. So basically here in this toolbar you will find text. And basically what we need just to type here, I'm just going to add some text posts and here we can just share it and post it to our feed. So basically, even if it's only text, we have multiple things that we can edit or multiple editing that we can add to our text. We can change the font type. As you can see, there are many font types here. There is the classic typewriter, and we can find many types here. Of course, we can also change the type or like the styling of our font, of course, the alignment, etc. So, and here we can find like our text color or font color, and then we will need just to click on done. Then you can just click done. You can add some emojis and also you can add some kind of media to your post. And here you can add some sounds to give it some like emotions or anything like to revive your texting. And after that, the final step will be just to post to the feed and you will have your post that will be added into your profile. And as you can see, this is my post that has been added successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.